What are you doing, Aiden? What are you doing, bud? The airplane's flying.
Ready to go. Here we go.
Is it taking off?
Yeah.
Wow. Where's it going?
Outer space.
Outer space? Awesome. It landed.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey. Hey. Hey, buddy. Okay. Airplane to the rescue.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to eat? Do you want some breakfast? No? You're playing with the airplane? Okay. Hey, how'd you sleep?
And a nap.
You slept in a nap?
Yeah.
Did you have any dreams?
No.
Who was sleeping in the room next to you? In the same room? Who was in the same room? Who was in?
Aiden.
Yeah. Who else? Who was in the big bed?
Yeah.
No. Jack? Where's Jack?
Sleep.
He's a... Jack sleeping.
Yeah.
Do you like Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Look at this big airplane.
Look at that big airplane. Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
That's awesome. What are we going to do today, bud?
Jack.
What? What are we going to do today?
Surfers.
We're going to do what?
Surfers.
What?
We're at airport. We're at motorcycle.